Well, guys, I'm excited to share the new features that I added on NC Sender. So the new G-code viewer is much smarter. So I improve a lot compared to the G Sender. So first is we can have the auto fit. By default, it's on, but if you turn it off, it will show actually your the whole machine size. So if I do a 3D view, top view, side view, so that will be the whole size of your machine. And if you notice, there's a line for the red and the green. This is actually where it cross. This is actually your work offset. So you can clearly see now where is your work offset. For example, if I move my spindle here, I still don't have a button yet for setting up the work offset. So, but I'm just gonna send a G-code command to change the offset. To this will be my new offset. It's a G10 L20 X0 and Y0. We'll see what happens. So now your green and red indicator for X and Y axis also move. This will clearly indicate where are you on your work offset. Oh, okay, there's a bug. Supposed to be that one, it should be cleared. But okay, actually it also load the program. So now it's clearly when you load the program, it's easier to visualize that. Here, let's load this one. Usually visualize where your G-code will be rendered. So here you can see clearly, see it will be inside your machine limit. Unlike on G-Sender, it's always plotting on the center. Let's move it somewhere on the center here. And again, I'm just gonna update my workset coordinates to be here. And there you go. So now your G-code is almost center, which exactly almost represent on your machine physical layout. And another one is if we run this program, actually before we're running this, what if I put this, let's say I put my X in here, and also my Y somewhere here. Actually, we can just do this. Okay. And then I'm gonna set my offset here. Okay, you will see there's a warning, toolpath exceed machine boundaries. It will already, and look and see all the G code that's out of the boundaries will be rendered red. There's no need for guesswork that when you run your program, it will be out of boundaries. And on G Sender, the way they do that is they have a preview to run it physically if the machine is going to travel. In my case, I don't need that because my grid already represent that it will already immediately show you that you're gonna be go out of bounds on your programming. So let's fix that. Let's move away in here. Actually, that's also work on if I change my work offset, workspace, let's say G55, let's change it. Then it works. I'm on G55 now. So the G55 coordinates will tell me that, oh, you're good to go. No warning. But I still need to fix this workspace. Somehow there's a bug in displaying. I'm on G55, still showing G54. Sometimes it works. So that's probably need to fix that. Oh yeah. Now this look at my archive. Everything now is red in here. So let's go back to G54 because that's usually standard. And then I'll just move it somewhere around here. If you notice this, the animation is pretty smooth, super smooth. So let's say here. Okay, we're good to go. Okay, the auto fit is we're gonna when it toggle it on, it will zoom in on the G-code program we have. It will auto center the G-code itself. So let's run this. Okay. See how the animation is very smooth because I'm sending more data, more frequent than the G sender. And this new feature, spindle view, is basically when I turn this on, it will lock the camera to the spindle. There you go. So, and if I turn off the auto fit, it will respect that current view. And then, uh, so it's gonna go again to your machine limit views. So if we do a side view and we'll do auto fit, you can even see here, your now it's doing like boring, and we can see it's hopping too, z hopping. Actually, it's clearing. It's not that okay. And then what else is here? So let's do top view, and then if I turn off the spindle view, we'll just focus on your G code. And I'll go back to 3D view, same thing, spindle view. Okay, let's put that. And let me stop this program. And here, there's an upload button. So in comparison with GSender, when I click upload, this will actually upload uh, to the application if you're doing remotely, or you can also do remotely. Like in my case, I'm remotely because this is actually not the server. Oh, sorry, probably not you. You're probably not even seeing the URL, the address, because of my recording. It's not recording the address. But I'm right now remote, so let's say this is actually not my computer that's connected to CNC controller, but I'm doing remote, so I can upload the file and also automatically load it. So it's upload and load at the same time. Let's see this one. Did I upload it? Oh yeah, that's the same file. So let's look for this different one. Okay, this one is quick. There you go. So it's open and uploaded to the server. Now, if I refresh this page, let's actually clear this. Okay, now it's done. So I don't need to upload it. There's now a folder in here. Everything that I uploaded, it's already here. So all the job that you've been running, it will be here. And you can delete it or reload it. So you don't need to. So if you go to a different computer, or actually go to the machine that has that connected to the CNC controller, you will have that file. So you don't need to go back to the other computer to upload it. So it's already here. Let's say I can delete it, close. Then also we have light view. Actually, and even light view, you'll notice if I change the light view theme, even the camera lighting of my spindle is changing, just to make it more visible. Because I also have a representation of this on collet nut or nut. So it's more in the light mode. I change the camera angle to more look visible. What else I need to show? So yeah, you can also now this one has a bug before. Now it's working. So I can now also, if you don't want a spindle, you can just not show it. If you don't want to see the rapid movement, just remove it. Yeah, that's more like what I'm working on. But I think I have some more few ideas to add more, like the progress indicator. I still don't have that, but I think this is nice to have that. I've been wanted to build, but it's not on the D senders. That's why I build my own sender version.